Y'all know what it is, y'all know what to do. I'm out here grinding. How about you? It's your boy Wavy J, and I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Now let's get into it. Today is Sunday. I was gonna post this video on Saturday, bro, but honestly, I've been feeling sick lately. I'm feeling kind of better now, so we're just gonna get back into it, bro. I wasn't even thinking of posting this week because, you know, I was feeling sick, but I want to do that to you guys. I know you guys want to see that week 2 update, so here it is. If you guys haven't watched my last video, the week 1, I explained all the steps that I was taking, all the brushing, how long I was brushing, washing styles, how to encounter those. And in this video, I'm not gonna explain all that, bro. I know y'all just here to see that week 2 update. I'm going to be dropping a washing style very soon, right now, since my hair is at a shorter length, so you guys can see how I do it. It's basically the same as a regular washing style when your hair is longer, but I want to show you guys how I do it the same way as when it's short. So you guys let me know if you guys want to see that. But right now we're currently week 2. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, we are seeing major progress. I'm not even gonna lie. If you guys are new and want to be part of the crew, go ahead and subscribe to your boy, because it's getting real wavy in the gravy. Now let's hop in this baby and get real crazy, because we're going crazy all 2022. Now let's get into it, bro. If you guys are looking for the best silkies in the market, go ahead and use the code WavyJ15 for 15% off. The link's in the description, and you guys go ahead and gonna get hooked up with that discount, because you guys are tripping if you guys don't want to use that discount, bro. But these are my main brushes. My medium brushes are my go-to. Tolerate the medium brush more now that my hair is getting longer and it's pretty thick, so I can just go ahead and kill it with these. I know most people say combing is bad, but me personally, combing helps you out. So before any brush session, what you want to do is comb your hair, bro, because it's gonna help you out a ton of ways, bro. Trust me. Because even when I started waving, I would never comb, bro. Only thing I would do was brush, and I didn't see the same results as I'm seeing right now, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I know many people would debate on that. Comment down below if you guys be combing, or what do you guys think about combing. But yeah, I'm gonna go get a haircut very soon. But the only thing I might do is just a taper. I'm not gonna cut the top. I might do a 10-week whoop with this one to see how we go. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, that way it's not that hard to tell what's top and what's supposed to be the taper, you know. Because if I go right now, everything's pretty short, so I'm kind of scared that my waves might be pushed back a little bit, and that's why I'm gonna just wait so you can tell like drastically what's the difference between my taper and my actual top of the hair where I want my waves. So I'm just gonna woof it out for a little bit. Right now we're in week 2 of woofing, and we're gonna wait till like week 10, week 11, maybe week 12. I'm not even gonna lie. But right now, what we're doing, we're still brushing every day for at least 1 hour. Get the hour in. I'm not even gonna lie, I did not brush at all yesterday and the day before that. I literally had no energy at all, bro. I was telling you guys I was feeling really sick, and I wasn't brushing, bro. But that's on me. I'm not gonna make them type of excuses. So if my waves look trash, it's because of me, bro. Because if you don't put in that work, bro, it's not gonna come. Like I preach to you guys all the time, bro. If you want to shine, you gotta grind. Quit making these excuses and make the time. But that's on me. I was making these excuses and I wasn't making the time. So if my waves look trash, that's the reason why. If you guys are waving, let me know down in the comments what week are you guys in and what type of hair texture are you guys, and how your waves looking, bro, because I'm curious to see what you guys are working within that range. Products that I'm using, bro, is in the description. Is at Wavy Department. Go ahead and check them out. Use my code WJ15, or you just gotta click the link, and I'm pretty sure the code will apply to you as soon as you click the link for Wavy Department. And I use the butter, and it's a good moisturizer. You can't just put the product and expect your waves to come in like nothing, bro. You gotta put in that butter and then put in that brush work. Many people think that products will get you waves, and that's not the case, bro. Products will only enhance your waves, meaning it's going to give them moisture and enhance them. So you got to put in that brush work and comb work and all that work. Enough talking, bro. I know this is what you guys came to see, the unrag, to see where we at week 2, and I'm gonna show you guys what it do? You know, like, we are seeing tremendous progress. Like, actually surprised, we're seeing progress already at week 2. You already know, bro, if you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. Keep them out in the mentality, bro. If you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. Right now we ain't winning, but we gonna see in a couple weeks. We gonna be winning. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera, but in person they look better. I'm not even gonna lie. The camera does not work as justice, but if you check right here, like in person, you can see all the ripples forming up. But we're just in week 2, bro. We're already seeing these ripples coming in. Like I said, I mostly use my medium brushes. I will go ahead and give you guys a little brush session to see what I exactly do. First, you gotta grab your comb, bro. And whenever you're using the comb, bro, you don't want to comb straight like this. That's not how you comb. You see I'm holding it straight up? That's not how you comb. What you want to do is holding it like at an angle, like at a, I'd say a 45-degree angle or something like this. Like I said, you can tell more in person because I don't know if the camera's catching all this. Only week 2, bro. This one's a medium hard, so I get this one first. And we start brushing. Y'all excuse my lineup, bro. I haven't got a haircut, as y'all can see. I'm gonna woof it out, so my lineup gonna be looking jacked up for a good minute. So y'all can go ahead and laugh or do whatever, bro. But my lineup gonna be here for a straight minute. But I don't know where you guys got that information, but wearing a durag only is not gonna give you waves, bro. You gotta put in that brush work, because wearing a durag by itself is not gonna give you waves. I don't know who thought or who told you guys that wearing a durag will give you waves, bro. Like, that's like me saying going to the gym, not working out. Only me, my presence being inside the gym is gonna give me muscle. Like, it doesn't make any sense, bro. Like, you wearing a durag just by itself with no brush work is not gonna give you waves, bro. The reason why a durag is important during the process is for the durag to keep your hair laid, moisturized, and from moving all around over the place, especially when you go to sleep. I only wear my durag when I go to sleep. Sometimes when I shower, you know, you want to wash your forehead too. So the way I tie it, I just put it right here, make it reach to my nose, then right here on my eyebrows. So I put my fingers right here, put it right there, come fold it just like so. Back side, like this, boom, boom. They're gonna cross each other. You're gonna pull this back to like a good start. You're gonna pull it back so everything from the top gets compressed. Then, make sure this is flat. This side, since it's one side silky, you flip it around, do the same thing. Whenever you tie it right here from the back, don't tie it too tight, because then you're gonna be getting headaches, bro. And you don't want that. So once it's tied, I'll put this. Tuck these two in. Pull this. You do it like so. It on the that's how you tie, how I tie my do-rags, especially when I play sports. When I go to sleep, I tie it differently, but I'm gonna go ahead and make that a different video just so you guys see how you can sleep comfortable while wearing a do-rag. Because I'm not gonna lie, like this it gets pretty tight on me. It starts hurting my head, but I use it like this when I play sports. Because if I wear it the way I go to sleep, then it's gonna go crazy and be all out. But this is the end of the video, bro. If you made it to the end, I appreciate all you guys for tuning in for week 2. Next week we'll be dropping the week 3 update. Obviously, you already know, bro. If you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. So make sure you're putting in that brush work, because if you want to shine, you gotta grind. Quit making excuses and make the time, bro. Cause I'm gonna start making the time too. Even though I was lagging for these past 2 days, I haven't been brushing, but we gonna get back to it. It's your boy Wavy J, and I hope everybody has a blessed day. Peace.